basketball. Pero alam naman natin na isang talagang hardworking na grupo ang nagtipon-tipon para magawa itong napakagandang event na to. So palakpakan po natin ang PAR! Nakakatuwa, no? Talagang natural sa ating mga Pilipino ang mahalin ng basketball. And that really what sets us apart from so many different nations and nationalities because of our love for the game. So I'm glad that we were able to use basketball as a means to come together as a community. Yan talaga yung nakakapag-iba sa ating mga Pilipino. And syempre, natutuwa naman kami na makasama ko yung asawa ko at mga kaibigan namin na PBA Heroes!